Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video for the end of March, March 31st, Thursday morning. It's cold out there. Cloudy, very chilly today. This will not feel like the end of March. It'll feel more like the beginning of January, in fact. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. Now, who in the world goes shopping at 5 a.m.? Apparently a lot of people. That's the Trustful Skycam, kind of looking down at the Walmart down there. And by golly, some folks are in the 30s this morning. There's the Cullman Skycam looking back toward downtown Cullman. And down south, that's the Demopolis Skycam at the Demopolis Civic Center. Big old, deep, cold trough moving in here from the west. And it's going to be cloudy and very chilly. Look at those numbers. 37 for Haleyville, 38 for Cullman. You got Birmingham and Gadsden, 43. Anniston and Tuscaloosa, 45. And I'm beginning to wonder if Birmingham's going to get out of the 40s today. That might be a challenge with this deep trough and the clouds hanging tough all day today. You'll need a jacket. And look at that, some light rain falling at 5:05 over northwest Alabama. And by golly, gets any colder, we might have to look at some snowflakes here, but no, it's all light rain. And that will be passing on through this morning, so some folks will see a little light rain as they drive to work. And we'll maintain that chance of light rain or drizzle at times today, but nothing especially significant. Watch warning map, no severe weather problems because it's so cold around here, of course. Winter weather issues up in the northeast, and later today there could be some severe weather over the Florida Peninsula. Once again, they've got the standard slight risk, basically from Tallahassee and Jacksonville south all the way to Key West. Tomorrow, interesting to note, a general thunderstorm area defined just northwest of here with this next impulse coming down the backside of the trough. And we wonder if that might squeeze out some showers tomorrow, just widely scattered, or tomorrow night. We'll mention that. But here we go. Look at day 4, 5, and 6. Wow. Day 4 is Sunday. Day 5 is Monday, and that goes technically through Tuesday morning at 7 a.m. And then day 6 is Tuesday. And we might have a significant severe weather event on our hands early next week, as you'll see. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock this afternoon. There's your trough. And clearly energy is still coming down the backside of that thing. Down below that, the surface low is off to the east. We'll be in those backwash clouds all day. The 540 line down to the shoals. Cloudy, cold, damp, and again, maybe a bit of light rain or drizzle in spots. Tomorrow, the trough axis moves off to the east, so we should begin to warm a little bit. But still, I'm not so sure we see a lot of sunshine. The sun might peek out a few times. And we'll mention some risk of a shower, but again, I don't think a very significant chance. And we should go back into the 60s tomorrow, mid-60s, assuming the sun does break out at times. And Saturday still looks beautiful. What a great day to kick off the weekend. Sunny with a high up in the low 70s. Actually, the GFS and the NAM are showing 75. They've been running way too warm lately. In fact, the GFS has been laughable. But we'll mention low 70s, just a gorgeous day to start the weekend. And Sunday looks great. And Sunday should we should warm considerably with a high close to 80 by Sunday afternoon. And of course, we note that sub 1,000 millibar low developing northeast of Denver. All right, here we go. Monday. Vigorous trough to the west. Down below that, there's a surface low near St. Louis. We're warm and unstable. The GFS is showing 87 Monday afternoon. Now, if we hit that, we'll be sitting on a powder keg here. Don't know if it'll be that warm or not. Then we'll go to Monday night, just after midnight. The trough is getting close. The surface low is near Indianapolis, 996 millibars. The big batch of storms about to enter northwest Alabama. And, if there's any good thing here, just maybe it will be that these things will come through like it, the pre-dawn hours Tuesday when the air tends to be a little more stable. But I'll just show you now the EHI values, Energy Helicity Index for The same time, this is 1 a.m. Tuesday, and goodness, that is problematic. Those numbers are almost off the chart, just northwest of here. So this could, just clearly everything is there. We won't be able to, look at the mesoscale features of this until we get much closer. But just be aware the chance of a significant severe weather / tornado event is on the table for early next week. And then there's Tuesday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The trough axis is pretty close. The storms are on the way out. And again, the timing, nobody knows at this point. Will it be a Monday night thing? Will it be a Tuesday morning thing? Could it be even slower, be a Tuesday afternoon thing? Yes, we just don't know yet. All right, Wednesday, the trough is on by. No big, ridge pumped up over the west, and that, again, will keep us way above freezing. There'll be no freezing threat if this is correct. It'll be a sunny and mild day. And Thursday looks very nice a week from today. Go out there a few more days, the 11th of April. Pretty good-looking trough lifting through here, and that looks wet and stormy. And the end of the forecast on the 15th, pretty high-amplitude pattern. Northwest flow aloft there with a storm system off to the west. But sure looks like an interesting month. April is always interesting around here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Being Alabama's news leader means digging deeper to get you the facts, working harder so you have all sides of the story, and not being afraid to tell the truth. Every day you award us by making ABC 3340 Alabama's most watched news. And now the Associated Press has named us Alabama's most outstanding news operation. That's 9 times since 1996, more than all other stations combined. And that's 9 more reasons you should trust the news leader. ABC 3340.